you ever heard someone say, I'm too old for that? Or maybe I missed the window for strength training? Well, let me tell you something straight. That is absolutely not true. My client Wayne is 76 years old. He's stronger, leaner, more functional, and more alive now than he was 4 years ago when we started working together. He trains intelligently, intensely, and efficiently twice a week for 30 minutes. He understands something most people in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond just can't seem to get. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time to start is right now. And research continues to show that resistance training isn't just safe for older adults. It's one of the most effective ways to improve health, strength, quality of life, and independence as we age. In fact, studies have tracked older adults, 65, 70, 80 plus, and found that regular strength training builds muscle strength and improves muscle quality, even in people with age-related sarcopenia, the muscle loss that comes with aging. The point is this: your body remains responsive to resistance training no matter what age you start. You can increase your muscle mass, you can improve your strength, you can boost mobility, even if you've never lifted before. To go a little deeper, older adults who begin resistance training show improvements in things that matter to them in everyday life, like having better balance, easier walking and climbing stairs, more confidence getting in and out of chairs, a reduced risk of falls, better body composition, and less joint pain, and more independence overall. And those adaptations are real and they're trackable. One meta-analysis even showed that well-designed resistance training programs significantly improve muscle performance and body composition in older adults, even in dealing with people with sarcopenia. So when someone tells you I'm too old, remember, an aged body is not a dead body. It's just one that's been understimulated. So to talk a little bit more about why this works at any age, but especially later in life, the first thing we need to know about is neuromuscular adaptation. This is the process where your body adapts and gets better at working with new demands placed on the system. In this case, resistance training. Elderly people adapt similarly to young people. Their nervous system learns to recruit muscle fibers more effectively. Next, your muscle quality improves. So not just the size of your muscle, but strength training improves the efficiency and force production relative to muscle mass. So this just means making things easier and more efficient that require strength in your everyday life. And finally, functional independence. This is not about vanity, especially not for older adults. It's about living life without being a burden to others. It's about being able to do the things you took for granted in your 20s well into your 80s and beyond. Because strength equals autonomy, and that's enormous, especially for older individuals. So here's the takeaway. It's never too late to start, but it is too late to think you can just sit around and hope strength magically comes to you. Your body doesn't stop responding because you got older. It simply adjusts to the neglect and lack of activity. But given a proper stimulus, our bodies are incredibly resilient. And resistance training is that stimulus. Clients like Wayne get it. At 76, he's doing what most people half his age won't even try. And look where that got him. Stronger joints, more energy, more capability, and more peace of mind. So stop telling yourself the age excuse. Start where you are, do what you can, but get moving. Your best years are not behind you. They're the ones that you start training for next.